Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to get fuller lips, bigger lips, plump lips naturally. All you need for this exercise is a spoon. So just follow along and let's have fun and get beautiful together. The first thing you're going to do is the tongue push out. So just follow me 5 times. Now we're going to take our trusty little spoon. We're going to put the mouth in the O position and lift up on each side 5 times. Switch sides. Now lower lip. Very good. Now we're going to do the finger roll 3 times each. 1, 2, and 3. You're rolling up. 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1. You're going to do this to the top lip and now the bottom. That's it. You did a wonderful job. Do this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.